Hello, my name is Carlton, and as you can see, this is Carlton's Mac. We have one mission today. That mission is going to be to open up this package here, which is a battery from Amazon. So I've done the research already, and I've gone to Amazon. Hopefully I picked the right battery, because I could have some flawed research there, but for the most part, I have a 2011 MacBook Pro, late model 2011 MacBook Pro. Oh, it comes with its own little screw set too, so I don't really have to use my own stuff. Ooh, and it comes with extra screws. Nice, I like that a lot. So, I have not prepped for this whatsoever. The only thing I have done is ordered the darn thing because I need a new battery. Now, my machine is very old, and because it's old, the battery is it'll probably only last about 30 minutes. So, because of that, I've been neglecting to actually get my hands on another battery. Wait a minute, are these the big boys that go in the back of the machine? I think they are. I think these are my big boys. Get out of here. Really? If these are my big boys, then that means that this was just absolutely worth its money and go. Oh my God, it is. Oh my God, this okay. I'm so happy right now. So the battery comes with extra screws. The battery cost me about $29, $30, something like that. I don't care. It doesn't matter. Still cheap. The beautiful part about this is I've been wondering, pondering, and kind of guessing, should I get another set of screws? This is what these guys have given me. If you've ever been inside of one of these MacBooks, you will understand that the screws, they get lost all the time. Notice there's a little thing on here that says screws may be inside. So the thing is, the screws that come with the machine, they're very, very small. They get lost a lot. And some of the screws that you see here are not my screws. They're my wife's. I actually took some of hers because she doesn't use her machine. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to get more use out of it than her. And you have an option to try to buy the screws from other people on eBay and stuff. Not the best idea, mainly because these things, if you see there's a little blue in there, I don't know if you can see it. There's like a little blue in there. That blue is nylon, so it's like nylon coated. So the beautiful part is these guys have given me an extra set of screws, and I kind of need them badly because, like I said, I'm hoarding some of my wife's screws, and I should probably give it back to her. So this is showing all of my business here. This is all of my business here. There was a speed demon in there at one point. I do have two different hard drives, one here, one there. This is actually a standard 5400 hard drive from Apple. 5400 RPMs, that is. And where is it? There it is, right there. So basically all you have to do is get in here, and this is the battery. As you can see, it's going to be a perfect fit because apparently they used this battery this battery type for a few years. So it's fairly easy to find which one belongs to me. So first thing you want to do is come in here and you just want to pop it out. Just kind of lift up right here. Once you lift that up, that'll release the battery so that when you're messing around with it. Notice I'm doing this raw. I'm doing this very unorthodox. You shouldn't do this. I am not carrying too much. Oh my God, is it a security? Oh my God, it is a security screw. Did they give me the right one for security? Nope. Nope. Mine does not match that security. Both of these are securities. You gotta be kidding me. They're Y-shaped. Come on, man, really? I don't think I have one of those screws. Let's see what this one does. Nope, that's not it. I don't think I have a screw to get in here. I don't have a screwdriver to get in here. That's just frustrating. I don't have a screwdriver yet. I may have to pause this video here. That is a Y shape. I think I have one in my other toolkit. So that's kind of sad that the screw set that came with this may not fit. No, wait. That does fit. Get out of here. Is it just luck? Oh, it is. Okay, it's the security. This is a security one, and this is a Phillip head. Okay, good. I keep saying the word security because Apple is notorious for having unique screws. So the average Joe can't get in here and unscrew certain things. Apparently, the red that came in here is to get the actual battery out. The red is for the battery. The yellow is for the Phillip standard Phillip screw. So very happy. Happy I got that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this to the side. I don't like using these little guys, but I'll use it in this case. I've been in here a few times, so this is kind of nice and clean. I know I did go in there and clean that once. So I got one screw here, one screw here. Those are there, and it should be just lift up. There we go. Lift up and kind of pull a little bit. I'm kind of feeling around and looking around here. I just want to see if there's any swelling. There is no swelling that I can see. So everything actually looks nice and clean. It's just an aged battery. Apple was literally saying that, hey, it doesn't hold as much of a charge as it should. And, that is true. It just doesn't hold a charge like it used to. So, yeah. I was noticing this was on here, but I'm not caring too much about it because I own the freaking machine. So, and it's well past its warranty. Under here is I'm surprised at how clean it is. This is really, really clean under here. So that I'm very happy about. So here is the new battery. Looks exactly the same, but it's more of a matte finish than the shiny that was over there. And I guess I gotta lift this up a little bit. There we go. You can see my head over here for a second here. There we go. Just kind of wiggle this guy in and just drops right on there. There we go. Looks like it's a nice, good fit. I'm gonna see what the placement looks like here real quick. Oh yeah, I think that'd be fine, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the new teeth on. This will give the machine the power. There we go, to give power to everything. And now I just have to put in my old screws. Again with the red security one over here. Really don't like these little tiny screwdrivers. I can see that there is an improvement here over the original. Is it getting in there or not? It seems to be sticking up really, really high up. Making me very, very uncomfortable. It's sticking out like a sore thumb. It's like it's really, really effing up there. Did I put the wrong screw in the wrong place? I don't know. We'll find out in a second. See, I can't rewind the freaking tape while I'm actually watching this here, so it seems like it's sticking up way too far. So maybe the short one goes in the right. I don't know. Now I can't get the freaking thing out. That's awesome. And again, I totally hate this little screwdriver here. Oh my god. Which I almost lost. Almost lost the screw for a second there. No, I think I had it right the first time. It just doesn't want to get into that freaking hole. I don't think I'm going to worry too much about it, though. I may not put it back in there because, like I said, it's bulging out of there pretty badly. So right now, I'm just trying to, I got big meaty fingers. I'm trying to get it in the hole over here. And my laptop is pretty much stationary nowadays. Doesn't really move that much. So if I can't get any screw in here, which is starting to look like the case, I won't really care. Yeah, I'm literally having problems trying. There we go. We got it in there this time. But it's not coming down as flush as I wanted it to, or as flush as I believe it should be. Yeah, so it is a little on the flush side. Now, I don't care whether this battery does or does not last another 10 years. I really don't care, because the machine may not last that long. Getting the battery in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of screws in here just to secure it good enough. There we go. And now I see that this battery kit was actually worth its weight in gold, only because it comes with an extra set of screws. So like I said before, I can get these screws, fill in the proper screws to the ones that belong in my machine, and then turn around and give any spare screws to my wife's machine so that she'll have the proper screws as well. All of the proper screws. I'm the only person that really uses their MacBook. Yo! Yes, I did. I took the wrapper off. That's what I always do. Tastes good. Sorry about that. She was asking me that I take the wrapper off the spinach artichoke. The little plastic wrapper. You should always take it off, because if you don't, it can start to sweat over there or whatever from taking it in and out of the refrigerator. And that's how you get a little bit on the sick side. Okay? So, let's see if this actually worked. So, this is now in there. I'm hitting the button. Nothing is happening. You know what? The battery may be completely... No! Battery has some power in it. Yay! Whew! Scared me for a second there. Me not thinking that, hey, you know what? This machine has been off for a few minutes and had no power going through it. So, yeah, of course it's going to take a moment or two. So, as I know this looks really, really big, but this is not a big machine. This is literally a 13-inch machine. And my password is 1234. And there we go. Oh, look at that. And there's the battery. And it is definitely charged. It has about 40% available. I can't connect the thing. It's not long enough to reach. Is it? No, it's not. I'm gonna put show percentage on there. It's got 53% of power. It is currently adjusting this clock. Everything's gonna be okay, and it worked. So I'm very happy about that. And again, it's only being mounted down by one screw, but I'm not worried about that because this is not a machine that I actually travel that much with. It is the brick design, and the brick design means it just doesn't move and flex as much, because this is like a solid piece of aluminum here, a thin piece at the bottom, and then this is another thin piece of aluminum too. So it's not like the older MacBook Pros where everything was kind of like crunchy and moving around. So yeah, this is good. This is very, very good. It is not 7 p.m. I gotta adjust that. That is the end of this video. that is how you replace the battery. Again, I got this battery from Amazon. This is the original battery here. The new one is inside. They both have 10.95 volts. So, like I said, it's good. I'm happy with that. I might try to remember to put a link at the bottom, but you know, this kind of thing is easy to find. Have a good one. Later.